Hey everyone, in this video I want to show you how to make your iPhone announce the name of the caller who's calling you.
Subscribe to The Simple Dad.
Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. It really helps me and the channel grow, and I really appreciate all your support. This is a really useful feature on your iPhone as it saves time on checking who is calling you when you're busy in something else. To begin with, let's open up your settings. Now scroll down and tap on Siri and search. Now from this list, find Announce Calls and then tap on it. By default, Never is selected. You can select Always, Headphones and Car, or Headphones Only. The options are pretty much straightforward. Select Always and now test it out. And there you go, that is how to make your iPhone say the name of the caller who's calling you. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.